How amazing and wonderful you are. Yes, you. Yep, I'm talking about you. You're amazing because within each of your cells working every nanosecond of your life, from when you were conceived, is a highly structured level of organization. Now seriously, what's all this? Let me break it down for you. You are made up of about 37 trillion cells with some 200 different types. You have about 50 billion fat cells, 2 billion heart cells, and a whopping 240 billion liver cells. Let's explore some facts about cells. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. Turn on your notifications so that you don't miss when we post our new videos. All living organisms, including our bodies and other animals, pathogens such as protozoan, bacteria, and fungi that attack us are all composed of cells. Cells are the building blocks for all living organisms. They set the basic foundation pretty much for which all the processes of life occur. It is so easy to overlook the small things, but guess what? How we treat the small things will most likely be how we treat the big things. Let's zone in a little bit on the small things. Cells. Did you know that cells of the same age and type from a whale, a mouse, a fruit fly would all be very similar to yours? Have you ever wondered how your body knows when and how to release chemicals, hormones, or simply just to digest food? Cells have a superb organization that can be likened to a successful business or factory. They're made up of organelles that all work together to ensure that the organism survives and functions. For example, cells have head offices or CEOs, which we call the nucleus. That's the command center for the cells. All decisions are made about what proteins to build and which ones to replace, therefore having blueprints to follow so that good products are being produced. Cells have a need for communication, and we find that chemical and electrical messages are darting around the cell saying, do this, stop that reaction. All those things are happening in the cell. And guess what? In programmed cell death, the cell instructs itself to shut down and demolish and dispose safely of all the debris. Now let's look closer at cells. How are cells organized? Atoms make up molecules. These molecules group together to make up cells. Now, cells are able to group together to form tissues, and these tissues are able to group together to form organs, and those organs collectively help to form organ systems. And all these organ systems together make up the organism. But how big are these cells? Cells are extremely small and can only be seen properly when magnified and viewed through the lenses of a microscope. The dimensions of cells are expressed in micrometers, sometimes known as microns. Cell sizes range between 5 to 5,000 microns, but quite a few are between 10 and 150 microns, super small with huge impact. So what's the conclusion? Here are some key points to remember. Cells are the building blocks for life. They have organelles that help them to function efficiently, and cells are extremely small, cannot be seen with the naked eye. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Take care.